Okay guys, so today we are taking you to Maui, the beautiful island of Maui over in Hawaii. This is a beautiful TE27 we did for a good customer. 3TC turbo, low compression, factory valve cylinder head, and we basically built him a complete, built the motor, put the engine full, assembled the engine completely. I'll see if I have some pictures, I'll post that up. But we did the turbo kit, header, turbo, all the intercooler piping, downpipe. Basically, he was trying to get a bolt-in kit the best that he could. So kind of tricky for us to do that here. Luckily, I do have some of my own cars that I was able to fab everything up, and it was close enough to where everything bolted up for him. So, and now you will see my good buddy Ricky over there, since I'm way too far, was able to fly over and help out Chris to get the car all tuned up. Man, looks like they had a really good time. I wish I was there. I have met Chris, very good guy, awesome dude, and I'm glad everything worked out for him. And you guys will get to see some of the other cool cars they have on the island. So check it out.
What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking on the channel again. We're here in Maui working on Chris's car. He has a beautiful TE27, a white TE27 with a PSI Racing turbo 3TC motor. We're going to get the distributor in. We're going to set the timing. We're going to run through his valves, make sure everything's good, torque the head, retorque the head, and we should be going out on the road and making some boosts today. Beautiful view of the Maui mountains. So we got the valve cover off. We're basically gonna just run through the valves, check all the gaps and make sure they're all good. Take out the plugs, change them out, and get boosting. Alright, so we got the new 2TG distributor in. Chris got that all polished, got a nice clear distributor cap, and we just got this in. Replacing it from the old 3T shorty distributor. Coil rad radiator. Come over here, got the regular old MSD digital 6AL with the blaster coil. The aeromotive regulator, fuel regulator. Forgot to mention, these are also 1000cc injectors. All of our components here, blow-off valve and wastegate are from Turbo Smart. That's a 40mm wastegate. Custom intercooler. All made by PSI. How about this cool wagon? Yeah, boys. Cool visitor today here while we're working on Chris's car. Fito, Keelan, and Cruz here. Ah, man. What a beauty. Look at that. Ah. Got a quick rundown on the engine for you guys. Of course, it's a 3TC, 86 millimeter, 7-to-1 compression, Tron pistons with the custom web cam in there. In the head, we got the valve components from PSI Racing, our 2TG distributor, of course. PJ dual intake manifold with the TWM 45 millimeter ITBs. We got the custom box and the exhaust, stainless exhaust, made by PSI Racing. We got the boost lab 6262 T3 turbo. About to fill the motor with HPL 1040. These are the same guys that make the HPT turbo and the AFIS injectors. Our first pull, we hooked up the boost controller. Should be boosting, hopefully not past 8 pounds now on our first run. Middle of the hot Maui day, look how great this car runs. I swear, man, it drives like almost like a brand new car, yeah?
Beautiful,
Yeah.
2023.
Yes. The boost controller hooked up and it turned it up a little bit. Let's see how she rips. Oh. So we had some issues with the boost controller over boosting, so let's hope we fixed it now. adjust the sensor again. out, guys. Check this out. Super killers.
Oh, that Toyota.
This is Marshy. Nice to meet you. Nice riding too.
All right, guys, so there you have it. Cool video. You know, a lot of cool cars over there. These guys are really diehard about their Corollas and, you know, the heritage of the Toyota and the old school Corolla. I'm glad everything worked out for Chris. It seemed like a really, really fun time. I wish we were there. Unfortunately, we couldn't make it, you know, but yeah, everything worked out great. He really went above and beyond to giving, you know, his engine setup all the detail he could. He's really intricate about, you know, making sure the whole combination looks good. I want to say thanks to Ricky for taking the time to go over there and getting him sorted out. The motor has a Haltech Elite 750. Not a real radical ECU, but more than enough for what the 3TC needs. And Ricky was able to go over there actually a couple times, and they finally got that thing dialed in really, really nice. So again, happy for Chris. Thank you, Ricky, and all the other guys out in Maui. I hope to meet all you guys one day, and I'm sure we will. And that's it. I just, you know, thanks again. Thank you, everybody, for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye.